bhakti. Bhakti is transcendental. It is alokik. It is sanatan dharma, eternal dharma. Bhakti is jiva dharma, the dharma of the jiva, atma dharma. Varnashram dharma, being a good brahmin or being a good kshatriya or vaishya or shudra, or being a good brahmachari or good grihast, or vanaprastha or good sannyasi. This is all lokik dharma. It's called deha dharma, sharir dharma. Social responsibilities, rites, rituals, rules and regulations pertaining to our physical bodies placed in this material world. Deha dharma, sharir dharma, lokik, temporary, relative, material. But then there's something called alokik, sanatan, sat dharma, saddharma. And saddharma is nitya dharma. Nitya dharma is that which applies to the atma, jivatma, me jivatma hum. I am jiva, eternal, individual part of consciousness, individual personality and consciousness, eternally. Satchidananda rupam, the jiva, jiv atma. That is called atma dharma, alokik. Alokik, transcendental, beyond this lok, alokik. It's the type of activity which is nitya. That activity which is nitya is lila, Krishna lila. That's in Golokam Vrindavan, Vaikuntha. So human life, the jiva is meant to become liberated from the tabernacle and bondage of the Trigunamayi, the shackles of this material body, of our karma, papa karma, punya karma. Leave this world and obtain mukti or moksha. And then we go to the place where there's no karma. There's no karma in the spiritual world. There's no work. There's no action. There's only play. Play is not work. And there's no anxiety. There's no tension. There's only bliss and love eternally. So this is called Atma Dharma.